how to use Apollo.io for lead generation. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can use the Apollo.io platform for generating leads. It is very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. Now the first thing here, you are going to click on a prospect and enrich on the search section. This is the first step that you need to do. You have to simply search for the contacts. Here we are on the search. We have people, companies. If you want to search for people, which is very helpful to make some generating leads, and also you are going to be a lot of help for them, you are going simply or click on people. Here we have search people. You are going to name, for example, the people and you will be good to go. But here we don't know the type of people or the name of people that we want to reach. So all we have to do is to click on companies. Then we are going to put, for example, search for companies. I'm going to put a pharmaceutical like that, pharma, and here I'm going simply to type pharmac, and I will see here the type of uh, the companies that are on the pharmaceutical industries. As you can see here, we have the pharmaceutical jobs, pharmacists association, pharmacy times, and a lot. Now this is the first thing. So here, let's say that we have found the industry or the company. The next thing that you are going to do is to click on filters. We are going to add more filters. Let's say here that the company is like that. We have the list, we have the employees. You can search and filter by employees. This is just an example. I have here employees, and we can also put the keyword or also the list. I'm going to put, for example, a particular filter. Let's say that we have job posting, no, but I'm going to simply go ahead to the industry and keywords. For example, we have the keywords you can say right here. For the employees, you can set as a known employees, or a known company. This is like that. And then also you can add more filters. For example, for the company info, employees by department, you have to make some upgrades on your account, so you will be guided to this particular one. And here we go. Then let's say that I have found the employee that I want. I click on pharmacy right here, times, and here we have the location and the department. As you can see here, we have the name and the job title in this company. Let's say that we need Anthony Costella. Anthony Costella, we have the access to email. Here it will cost us 1 credit. They will give you a credit number to set up these and modify or see these emails. We have the Access Mobile. We'll click on this and it will dedicate 1 credit from your account. You will get the personal form or personal phone number for this person. And here we have the description and the about the pharmacy times and the also the this director. Let's say that we have everything right here. We have the email and everything. Let's say that I want to contact Anthony Costella, which is he is the vice president or sales and customer relations at Pharmacy Times. The first thing that we need to do is to get the access to his email, like that. Now, simply we are go to ChatGPT. Then I'm going to ask for generate a email for formal email for a company director, for example. And let the magic happen. You will see here some generation from the ChatGPT. Here, I highly recommend you to base on the first lines of the emails. I mean by that, here, after dear director name, you have to focus on these 3 to 4 lines, because this will appear for the email before it will be opened. So if they decided to not to open, they will read only the first or the 2 first titles. If they are interesting, they will proceed to reading all the email. If it's not, they will directly delete it or put it on spam. This is the first thing. Now, here after we have made the search, we have the contact info. You can go ahead and create a sequence. As you can see here, you are going to put the sequence. Now we have everything right here. We have the business email of Costella. I'm going to sequences. Then I am going to create a step. You can add a pre-formatted template. As you can see here, we have the template for the pre-format. I'm going to create and customize. I like this email, and here we have the until the day 4. Here we have some automatic or email and a lot of things going on. You are going simply to select the email that you want to make or customize. Then you are simply click on it. Here we have the subject, and I'm going to delete this email. Go back to ChatGPT. I'm going to put the email right here. Dear director, paste the email that is created by ChatGPT. Then I am going simply to fill these gaps from director name, like we have Anthony, the name of it, and here we have a lot of information. With regards to my full name, I'm going to put it here, the position that I am occupying, the contact information, the company name, the company website, and etc. Here, as I told you before, you have to make some focus on these 2 or 3 lines. So you are going to put a bullet message on this, so it will attract directly the attention of this director and it will not refuse to connect with us. And here we are going to set the emails. For example, this is the email or the sequence that we have created. You are going to set up a new template. Here we have a new template. You are going to set this customizable for the needing of this person or this director. You can also manage some calls and put if the connected person or the interested person is up to calls. You can go ahead and put the dialer, and then you are going to talk directly with this person professionally, of course. And we have here with the meetings. You can set up a meeting to you and your customer. If he or she agrees, then you are going to connect your calendar right here. Connect your calendar from Microsoft 365 and you will be good to go. Here we have the conversations. You can go ahead and set up the Zoom or Team or Google View. It is up to you. And also here we have the deals that we have got from the clients. You are going to set up the deal. You are going to put the details of that deal and everything. If it is okay, you will be getting the deals right here. That was very easy and simple to generate the leads. So all you have to do, go ahead and search for people. We have here the data enrichment if you need something like the analytics and a lot of CRM here. And then you are going to create the sequence for that particular person. You have to be a little bit persistent, so the person will see that you are interested in working and collaborating with them. Here we have emails, calls, and boom, here you go. That was all for today's video. I hope you guys that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.